Don't just hang them. Think outside of the box. The carabiner system in the competition strap will allow you to attach these rings to more than just an anchor point. They might be used as attachments to kettlebells. Challenge your stability with every step as you suspend the kettlebells in carries or push them in stability-based presses. When strength meets creativity, you will quickly find that a conventional training tool such as gymnastics rings can be safely used in unconventional ways to challenge you. If all you ever do is hang these gymnastics rings, they will only meet half of their potential. Do not be limited by what you have seen gymnastics rings used for in the past. You might attach them to bands for chariot sprints to increase the intensity and friendly rivalry between you and your training partner as you push the limits to become stronger and better. These gymnastics rings can be hung almost anywhere. Outdoors, they can be hung from secure and low abrasion anchor points to do traditional gymnastics rings movements, alone or with your partner. Bring your suspension training to a whole new level with a quick adjust carabiner system that can accommodate for people of different heights in just the click of the carabiner. Partner training will reach a whole new level of speed and efficiency. A benefit of using gymnastics rings with a competition strap is that they are independently anchored to the anchor point, allowing you to train with single arm movements or double arm movements, and you can freely switch between the two without having to adjust the equipment whatsoever. Do not be limited by what you have seen gymnastics rings used for in the past. Use your creativity to safely introduce these rings into more than just your normal gymnastics rings training experience. Experience your true potential. Be creative and get stronger. Push the limits to become stronger and better.